Yeah, let me ask you one thing. How much money do you think a social media manager makes? So some say 10,000 per month, some say 25,000 per month, and some say 2 lakhs per month. That means same job title, same skill, but widely different money. Same story is with the web developers. Some say they earn 25,000 per month, and some say 5 lakhs per month. Freelance copywriters, some say they earn 5,000 per month, some say 3 lakhs per project. YouTube strategists, some say 15,000 per month, and some say 1,50,000 per month. So question यहाँ पर ये नहीं है कि कौन सी high income skill you should learn. Instead the question should be कि कौन सी high income problem आप solve कर सकते हो. Because high income skill कुछ होती ही नहीं है. High income problems exist करती हैं. And जिनके पास पैसा है, they'll pay you anything to solve their big problem. You know, according to freelancer.com, there is 10x difference in the earnings for same skill set. वहीं अगर कोई बेसिक फ्रीलांस कंटेंट क्रिएटर है तो 500 से 1000 रुपये चार्ज कर सकता है पर पोस्ट, बट अ स्ट्रेटेजिक कंटेंट क्रिएटर विद द सिमिलर नंबर ऑफ फॉलोअर्स कैन चार्ज 10,000 to 50,000 पर पोस्ट. वाई? बिकॉज एक जो है वो स्मॉल प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करता है, लाइक प्लीज मेक सम पोस्ट फॉर माई इंस्टाग्राम, and the other one solves a bigger problem जहाँ पर there's a possibility that I have millions of views but zero conversion. So how do you convert this attention into money? There's a big difference, right? And that is the difference that we are going to cover in today's video. So hi everyone, my name is Shivangi Diwali and welcome back to my channel. I started my career as a software engineer, transitioned into product manager in Dubai. Parallelly, I was doing freelancing and currently I own an agency named as Brandemia. In today's video, I'm going to target freelancers and we will be covering why the same job titles makes different money, and it's not about luck or connection. The 4 criteria to identify if you are solving a big problem or a small problem, so you know that where to position yourself. The 4 big problems that Indian business owners are willing to throw massive money at to solve. Next, exactly how can you package your skill to solve the bigger problem and not the small ones? Real examples of social media managers, web developers, copywriters, YouTube strategists, program managers, and business coaches, how the good ones make 5 to 10 times more money. So if you're a freelancer, then by the end of this video, you're not going to ask कि मुझे कौन सी skill सीखनी चाहिए. Instead, you will be asking कि which bigger problem I can solve and कौन से ऐसे clients हैं जो इस bigger problem के लिए अच्छा पैसा pay करने के लिए ready हैं. So yes, there's a mindset shift that changes everything. If you're a freelancer earning 20,000 or 30,000 per month and you want to scale it and earn in 6 figures and 7 figures, or you are someone who's just starting out but you want to build something sustainable from day one, then this video is going to be for you. So without any further ado, let's start the video and jump to our first chapter, the problem scale that changes everything. So here a small problem that I would like to think about it कि कोई problem तो है but वो इतनी ज़्यादा frustrating नहीं है. मतलब ठीक है, लाइफ चल रही है बट द बिगर प्रॉब्लम विल बी कि यार मैं 3 बजे सो रहा हूँ, आई एम वरीड अबाउट दिस प्रॉब्लम एंड दिस प्रॉब्लम इज रूइनिंग माई लाइफ क्वालिटी. सो जब भी आप कोई स्मॉल प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हो, स्पेशली किसी ऐसे इंसान के लिए जिसके पास ना ज़्यादा पैसा है ना उसके लिए प्रॉब्लम इतनी बड़ी है, इन दैट केस आप ज़्यादा पैसे अर्न नहीं कर पाते हो. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि सामने वाले बंदे को इंटरेस्ट नहीं है आपको पैसे पे करने में, बल्कि उसके लिए प्रॉब्लम इतनी ज़्यादा प्रेसिंग ही नहीं है कि वो वैल्यू कर पाए कि वो कितना पैसा पे कर रहा है उसके लिए. बट व्हेन यू सॉल्व अ बिग प्रॉब्लम यू जेनरेट बिग वैल्यू. और जब आप ऐसा ऐसे लोगों के लिए करते हो जिनके पास पैसा भी है एंड हु आर रेडी टू इन्वेस्ट एज वेल, यू एंड अप गिविंग वैल्यू टू देम एंड इन टर्न यू अर्न गुड मनी. That's how you get up the scale of your rates with the same skill set. Now coming to the next chapter, that how do you identify if it is a big problem or a small problem. So कोई भी problem अगर इन 3 precious resources से tied up है, for example time, money and energy, this is a big problem. So जितनी closer ये problems tied up हैं with the precious resources like time, money and energy, उतनी बड़ी problem है. And ये problem is keeping them from making money or saving money. It's sucking up all their energy या time, and there's already a sparse of time. Then that means it's a big problem. Another thing is the core desire impact. So how much impact it has on reaching someone's deep desire. Another is the hate factor, that how much that person hates to do that specific work. The more they hate it, the bigger the problem is. Because it's not like a problem if they are like, I don't know, but I can Google, I can search, I can figure out the solution and I can do it, I think. Next is the skill scarcity factor. How hard it is for someone to just start learning that skill and pick it up. The more scarce that skill is, the bigger the problem is. Makes sense, right? But if it is super easy for everyone to just learn it, it becomes competitive. Then maybe it's not solving a big problem because now they have options. So I guess now you get it. Don't ask what skill should I learn, what job title should I put on my LinkedIn. Instead, ask these questions: what problems can I solve? How big is that problem? And who has this problem? Now let me give you some juices to get your brain flowing towards what type of problems you might want to solve. So this brings us to the next chapter, the 4 big bucket problems every business owner has. So पिछले 2 सालों में I've talked to dozens of business owners. Many of them are my friends as well. One thing I know is business owners have plethora of problems and they also have money to pave to solve that problem. And especially if we focus on Indian business owners, जितनी भी problems इन business owners के पास हैं, ये majorly इन 5 buckets में fit हो जाती है. And if you want to learn a skill that solves one of this and in the right way, then you're always going to make money. Problem number 1 is the traffic problem. Every business owner that wants to build or sell anything, they want high quality traffic. अभी business owners के पास already बहुत सारा काम है, वो अपना business build करने में लगे हैं, product build करने में लगे हैं, feature build करने में लगे हुए हैं या client search में लगे हुए हैं, तो सबसे ज़्यादा least importance वाला काम जो उनके लिए हो जाता है वो अच्छा traffic collect करना होता है। इससे क्या होता है कि वो social media पर presence बनाने की कोशिश तो बहुत करते हैं, but they end up completely being inconsistent. कुछ random trends follow करेंगे, कुछ time के लिए Instagram करेंगे, फिर quit करेंगे, फिर उन्हें लगता है कि YouTube start कर लेते हैं, फिर वो भी quit कर देंगे, फिर उन्हें लगता है कि LinkedIn एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है, फिर उसको स्टार्ट करते हैं, वो भी क्विट कर देते हैं। सो दैट मीन्स मेहनत तो बहुत करी, लोगों को गैदर तो बहुत करा, बट उन लोगों को कन्वर्ट करने का उनके पास कोई स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं थी। एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस लीड्स टू नो सेल्स। और अगर बिजनेस में कोई सेल ही नहीं आ रही है तो दैट मीन्स इट इज अ बिग प्रॉब्लम। अभी हम ट्रैफिक प्रॉब्लम की बात करें तो I've seen so many content creators getting 100k views, but there is no system that they have to capture this traffic. So you're getting the eyes, but you're losing the leads in your DM. So this is exactly where Super Profile comes in. It is a complete toolkit that solves the traffic and conversion gap on autopilot. So if you're a coach, freelancer, or content creator, you know that it's not just important to learn a skill, you should also know a way to monetize that skill. So Super Profile helps you build a professional storefront where you can host and sell your courses, book one-on-one coaching sessions, collect payments effortlessly. But my favorite part for solving the traffic problem is their feature of auto DM. So instead of manually replying to any of the comment, you can set a keyword trigger. For example, if someone comments grow on your post, the system automatically sends them a DM with your lead magnet and a follow button. So it not only grows your followers but also boosts your Instagram SEO because of high engagement. It works for story replies, DM keywords, even live streams. It's like a website, a payment processor, a marketing team bundled in one simple link in bio. Plus it is meta verified and way more affordable than any of the other tools that exist in the market. So if you are ready to take up your business to next level, check out the link in my description and sign up to Super Profile and start monetizing your expertise today. Now let's move on to understanding some more examples of problem solving. Let's take the example of a social media manager. Small problem solving would be positioning themselves as a task doer, lacks contextual strategy, doesn't understand the product, funnel, customer and industry holistically, no uniqueness, novelty or creativity, especially in the world of AI, then making strategies that don't align with the business या funnel goals and no results for the client. Why the bigger problem solving would be get 100% clear on customers' problems and the desires, manages the entire workflow, understands how to capture and keep attention, always up to date on what's working, especially the social media's fast trends, thoughtful and creative, strategy is intentional and tied up to business goals, does extensive audience and competitor research. And if you follow this bigger problem solving technique, then India में the rates of social media manager ranges from 25,000 to 1,50,000 per month. Ad manager का भी example ले लेते हैं. This will be small problem solving and this will be a bigger problem solving. YouTube strategies की बात करें, this will be the small problem solving and this is going to be the bigger problem solving. Now this leads us to the next chapter कि हम client को किस तरीके से approach कर रहे हैं, उनको किस तरीके से उनकी problems को समझा रहे हैं और अपने solution को या किस तरीके से हम problem solve करते हैं, किस तरीके से हम problem को approach करते हैं, हम उनको कितना better तरीके से explain करके convince कर पा रहे हैं so that they pay money to us. And here comes the soft skill. I don't know why they are called as soft skill. They should be called as the most important skills. So अगर आप freelancing करने का सोच रहे हो and you want to be a social media manager or a YouTube strategist or a content strategist, so in that case you have to be studious. That means whatever expertise you are showing, you should have some expertise in that. Secondly, you should be creative. And next, you should have good context understanding कि business क्या है, client का mindset क्या है, client का vision क्या है, बिजनेस का गोल क्या है। अब बात करते हैं कंटेंट राइटिंग की, तो दिस इज अ स्मॉल प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एंड दिस is a bigger problem solving. Similarly, for web developers, this is a small problem solving and this is a bigger problem solving. I want you to pause the video and take these screenshots. In case of the program manager, this is the small problem solving and this is the bigger problem solving. अब हमने ट्रैफिक प्रॉब्लम देखा, हमने कन्वर्जन प्रॉब्लम देखा कि ट्रैफिक आता तो है बट वो कन्वर्ट नहीं होता है. नाउ कम्स द डिलीवरी प्रॉब्लम. कई बार बिजनेसेस को कस्टमर्स मिल तो जाते हैं बट दे आर नॉट एबल टू कीप इट. सो द चैलेंज इज कंटिन्यूअसली डिलीवरिंग गुड कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस so that their customer retain with them. If you make a strategy, how do you solve this problem? So you improve the core product service itself, increase the lifetime value of it. We don't have to keep getting new people because existing customers love us and they keep buying from us. इसके बाद आती है energy problem. That business owner is just one person. उसके पास limited time और limited energy है. So there comes a point where physically, mentally, emotionally, it's not possible to do everything. In that case, they will need more people, systems, automation and support. Here comes the digital business manager. This is a small problem problem solving for a digital business manager, and this is a bigger problem solving. Now let's come to a secret formula. Making great money is about generating high value for high income clients, deeply understanding the bigger problem you're solving and actually solving that problem and making real impact on the business. So again, it's not about the skills, it's about the problem that you solve and how you exactly solve them. I'm sure इस वीडियो ने आपको एक डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव दिया होगा, how you look at the skills, how you look at clients, how you look at freelancing, and hope this video helped you. Freelancing पे और भी मैंने डिटेल्ड वीडियो बना रखी है. अगर आप एज अ फ्रीलांसर जस्ट स्टार्ट कर रहे हो एंड यू वांट अ रोड मैप टू जस्ट किक ऑफ, देन यू कैन वॉच दिस वीडियो. बाकी अगर ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी है या और कुछ डेप्थ में या डिटेल में जाना है, सो डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. और अगर ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी है, सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द लाइक बटन, शेयर इट टू योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द बेल नोटिफिकेशन सो दैट यू गेट नोटिफाइड जब भी मैं कोई नई वीडियो डालूँ तो. थैंक यू सो मच.